Hi, good morning class.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you today?
I'm good. What about you, ma'am?
I'm fine too, thank you. And have you ever breakfast this morning?
No. Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Because breakfast is sangat penting untuk kita semua. Okay, first of all, because this is our first meeting, let me introduce myself. My name is Ratu Male Awal, and you can call me Miss Ratu. And yeah, hi. Any question for me?
No.
Okay. Okay. First of all, we have to prayer, and who is the chairman here?
Good evening.
Okay, please let your friend to prayer together.
Okay. Before we study, let's pray together. Start. Finish.
Now, I'll check your attendance list. Please listen your name.
Okay, ma'am.
Siti Khadijah,
Yes, ma'am.
Eka Wardawati,
Present, ma'am.
Agung Rivaldi,
Present.
Budi Artawan.
Yes, ma'am.
Oke. Masih ada yang belum disebut namanya?
Dana, ma'am. Sakit.
Oh, okay. And then, anybody know about our lesson for today?
No, ma'am. Greetings and taking a leave.
Okay, good. But first of all, you have to know our basic competence, yaitu, and you can see in this PowerPoint, point 3.1 mengidentifikasi fungsi sosial, struktur teks dan unsur kebahasaan, teks interaksi, interpersonal lisan dan tulis yang melibatkan tindakan menyapa, berpamitan, serta menanggapinya sesuai dengan konteks penggunaannya. Dan indikator yang akan kita capai yaitu memahami teks menyapa, berpamitan, serta menanggapinya sesuai dengan konteks penggunaannya dan fungsinya, dan menentukan ungkapan yang melibatkan tindakan menyapa dan berpamitan serta menanggapinya. And then poin 4.1 menyusun teks interaksi interpersonal lisan dan tulis sangat pendek dan sederhana yang melibatkan tindakan menyapa, berpamitan, dan menanggapinya dengan memperhatikan fungsi sosial, struktur teks dan unsur kebahasaan yang benar dan sesuai konteks. The last is menyusun dan menampilkan sebuah ungkapan menyapa, berpamitan, serta menanggapinya dengan memperhatikan unsur kebahasaan yang tepat. Okay, did you get the point?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next. First, apa yang kalian ketahui tentang greetings?
Greeting adalah sapaan. Ucapan sapaan.
Yes, good. And then,
ucapan saat pertama kali bertemu.
okay, I have video for you, and please watch this video and okay, happy watching.
is good.
Kondak Budi. Betul. Kan belajar tahun SMP itu. Oke.
Okay, now what did you get about after you watch this video?
Greeting and taking life.
Okay, greeting and taking life.
Umpamanya good morning. Good
Yeah, louder please.
Good morning untuk greeting. Good evening. Terus kalau untuk taking life,
See you.
see you later.
Okay, good.
Nice to meet you.
Now, this is kalimat-kalimat greetings, yaitu hi, hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, and how are you, how is life, and we have to respond if there are someone asking condition. We can respond, I'm fine, thank you, and I'm doing great, like that. Sampai di sini ada yang mau ditanyakan about greetings?
No.
Oke, berarti semuanya sudah paham. Now lanjut ke taking life. Taking life like saat kita ingin berpamitan kepada seseorang, kita say goodbye or nice to meet you and glad to see you, and you have to respond if like nice to meet you too or glad to meet you, like that. And yeah.
Yes, nice meeting.
Oke, sudah paham semuanya sampai sini?
Yes, ma'am.
Mem, kalau glad to see you artinya apa, Mem?
Glad to see you like same meaning like nice to meet you, yaitu senang bertemu denganmu. And then about and kalian pasti pernah dengar good evening dan good night, right?
Yes, Mem.
Oke, good evening itu dan good night itu sama-sama ucapan selamat malam, tapi perbedaannya itu pada waktu penggunaannya. Good night itu digunakan saat kita ingin saat kita ingin berpisah dengan orang lain, ataupun good night itu digunakan saat jam 10 ke atas, jam 10 malam ke atas. Oke, bisa dipahami semuanya?
Bisa.
Bisa, Mem.
Okay, now look at the example. Ini juga ada di buku kalian halaman 21. And could you read this dialogue?
Miss.
Okay.
Son? Good morning, Lina.
Eka, my name is Eka.
Okay. Good morning, Kak.
Good morning, Ija. How are you?
Oke, itu adalah contoh dari
Greeting.
okay, good. And okay, next, yang lain bisa baca yang sebelahnya.
Good morning,
Yes.
Good. How are you?
Good morning, Ija. I'm fine, thank you.
Okay, that is example for greetings. And karena kalian sudah paham tentang take a leave and greetings, could you write the dialog singkat about greetings and taking leave? Miss kasih waktu 5 menit untuk membuat dengan teman yang ada di samping kalian. Kemudian kalian memperagakannya di depan teman-teman kalian. Bisa?
Bisa,
Ya,
Miss.
ma'am.
Oke. Selamat mengerjakan. Jika ada yang belum dipahami, silakan ditanyakan.
Sudah itu? Dikasih?
Nanti kita dapat sendiri.
Kalau ada yang kalian tidak pahami, boleh ditanyakan. You can open your book to untuk lihat beberapa contoh.
You have pen?
Oke, finish.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Siapa yang ingin maju duluan? Oke, silahkan.
Hi, Ija.
Hello, good.
How are you doing?
Very well. By the way, where are you going, good?
I'm going to Bandara swimming pool. Will you join me?
Oh, sorry. I must help my mom in the market.
It's okay, Ija. See you next time.
See you. Have a nice day.
Oke, give applause for your friend.
Miss.
Oke, masih ada yang ingin maju?
Miss, ma'am.
Ya, silahkan.
Tapi dan pasangan, ma'am.
Jangan Budi.
Oke, silahkan maju. Yang di bawah silahkan perhatikan teman-teman kalian ya.
Good morning, Budi.
Good morning, Eka.
How are you today?
I'm fine. What about you?
Fine too.
Oke, good.
Kamu tetap.
Berarti sampai sini kalian sudah paham semuanya
Paham, Miss.
tentang greetings and take a leave. And now, berarti tidak ada pertanyaan lagi.
No, ma'am. It's clear.
Oke. And sampai sini ada yang bisa menyimpulkan tentang our lesson for today about greetings and take a leave.
Eka.
Take a leave.
Uh,
Untuk perpisahan, ma'am, misalnya
Baik.
see you next time, see you later, see you soon,
Okay.
goodbye, and good night.
And how about greetings?
Greeting, good
morning.
morning,
Morning.
hi, hello.
Okay, good.
Banyak lagi, ma'am.
And sejauh ini have you find the obstacle or kesulitan dalam mempelajari materi ini?
Kadang susah mengingat, ma'am.
Oke, Mem kasih tahu kita itu hanya perlu banyak latihan, banyak membaca di rumah, dan saat pembelajaran di dalam kelas we have to focus and serius ketika guru menjelaskan kepada kalian.
Yes, ma'am.
And then with this our lesson we now what greetings and take a leave, right?
Yes, ma'am.
I have assignment for you in your book. in page 23 that there are assignment and you have to do in your home. Okay, bisa?
Yes, ma'am.
And we will discuss and get your point for next meeting. And kalau begitu, I think that's all for today. And jika ada kesalahan, mohon dimaafkan. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
And thank you. See you next week, guys.
See you.
Bye, class.
Thank you, ma'am.